Hey everyone, so I want to show you how to use voice control on a Mac. Here you have the microphone that's recording my voice and it's also recording any commands. I also set a preference so that way once it recognizes a command, it will give me a dinging notification. Open Pages. New document. Create. My favorite vacation spot. Period. Delete. Is the Florida Gulf Coast beach. I enjoy going to the beach with my family. Period. Space. Each summer, me and my family pack up to take a long drive to the Gulf Coast. Period. Once we arrive, we check into our hotel and we go eat at my favorite restaurant on the beach. Period. After we eat, we set up our tent on the beach and fun in the sun begins. Period. We play on the sand until evening time. Period. We then head back to our hotel to shower, change, and find a good movie to watch. Period. After everyone is nice and relaxed, we often order pizza and maybe some ice cream for the kids. Period. While on vacation, bedtimes do not exist. We laugh and giggle with each other until the last person falls asleep. Period. In the morning, we get breakfast, then we head out for another fun day in the sun. Period.